Okay, so we've set the long-term goals.
Mm-hmm.
Now you talked about what needs to be true in order to eventually meet that long-term goal. What's next? Tell me what that means.
So you want to set the sprint goals.
Okay.
You've got the goal for the long term. Now you need to come a little bit short term. To do that, you have to get a little bit pessimistic. What are the risks we're going to run into? What are some roadblocks we might run into? And a good way to start thinking about how to create those sprint goals is to put those into the form of question. One of the best formats that I have found is really thinking what has to be true to reach the long term goal. So if you know you don't want to upset your current customer base, and somebody around the table has said we absolutely cannot upset our customer base, writing the sprint goal that's will we maintain the same level of standards that our customers are used to now? So sometimes with sprint goals, you have one, sometimes you have 20. Eventually, you'll see that the later activities you do on day one should be probably answering some of those questions.
Okay. So you've got the sprint goals, oftentimes in terms of questions laid out. You've got several of them which all sort of roll up into meeting your long-term goal. By definition, as you said, we're here doing a sprint because you've been stuck. This isn't a brainstorming. We'll talk about why it's different and better later. So you're here. What do you do next?
So you actually need to map out the problem.
Okay.
And mapping out the problem shouldn't be really in depth and super in the weeds about anything. It really should be about 5 to 15 steps. And you want to keep them at a high level because you know there's other steps in there. But your map is actually supposed to just give you a way that you're looking at the path of what's currently happening and looking for the places that you want to aim your sprint at.
Got it.